They say that the Biafra resistance fighter and liberation army don't come outside to come talk say that some people wey dey work inside them wey be sabo wey claim say they be resistance fighter and liberation army. He say na these people dey give Nigerian geria army and police information of how they go enter inside their camp. He say finally they don't know those people and they don't put them for inside their cell as we dey talk now. No be small thing o. Now I come say hey, this one don red o for inside the resistance fight again. Sabo dey inside. Oh, things are happening, but however I will go find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see there they bring updates back to back as e dey hot. My people, share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as e dey hot. As e dey read though, they say that the sabos wey dey for inside the resistance fighter and the Biafra Liberation Army, he say finally they don't know those people o. And well, as we dey talk now, ofaka wala haka boshi. No be small thing, my people. We go play the video, but try to watch this video from beginning to end to make you hear everything wey dey happen for inside that place o. Before you start telling me they no talk so something no happen for there. Now so they talk am, now so they bring and they can't give una. Oh yeah, watch the video before we come back and continue.
Who believe that this project is possible? Now let me explain to you. We get these three different mindsets concerning Biafra restoration. You will look at yourself and tell me where you belong to. Where you belong to. One, there are people that believe that Biafra can never restore. That there will be nothing like Biafra forever and ever. There are those kind of people that believe that there will be nothing like Biafra. And let me tell you why I'm mentioning the set of people, those set of people. I will not also forget to tell you their character toward the restoration of Biafra. Now, those set of people that believe that Biafra can never be restored, they're easily attracted to the money. They see Biafra as a business. They see Biafra as the easier way to, make game. They see Biafra as a way of making money. Because to them, they believe that Biafra will never be restored. They believe that it's just a mere noise. They believe that nothing at all will come out of it. So any given chance they have to sell their brother, they will sell, they will collect the money. Because to them, they did not believe in the restoration of Biafra. That is the first set of people. People that believe that Biafra will never come. They know they waste time to sell the struggle. Then get two mouths. People like Ikenga, people like Uche Mofo and others, then get two mouths. People like Asari Dokubo always have two mouths. This set of people that believe that Biafra will never be restored, they always get two mouths. Now, we have another set of people. The people that believe that Biafra will take a longer time, it might not be in their generation. They believe that definitely one day Biafra will be restored. But they did not see the possibility of being restored in their own time. Do you know how these people behave? When you discuss about the issue of Biafra with them, they don't want to talk about it. They don't want problem. They don't want to involve. They don't contribute. They are just neutral. Neutral. Please, I am not Biafrans. I am not Nigeria. Anyhow I see myself, I take it. This is always what they say. So they look at how is it going to be possible unless Igbo man will, a genuine Igbo man will become president and from there do this, do that, do that. Unless all the politicians in Igbo land, in Biafra territory will come to one and decide. These are always their suggestion. Oh. Unless those millionaires in Biafra territory will come together and fund. So to them, having not seen all those things in place, they believe that Biafra will take a longer time. They don't contribute. They don't involve. These are the second set of people mind toward Biafra restoration. The very last set of people are the people that believe that Biafra is here. That we own Biafra and Biafra belongs to us. That it is within our power to restore Biafra and that Biafra will be restored in this our time. Now, do you see these three sets of people? Ask yourself question. Where do you belong to? The last set of people I just mentioned is the hardcore Biafra. Nothing move them, nothing shake them. Even to the point of death, they have only one request. One single request. When they knew that there is no way for life for them, they have only, if you get close to them, they will only ask you for one thing. And do you know what they normally say? My brother, fight on. They will tell you this. My brother, fight on. Never give up. Fight on. Fight on is always their last word. And as that dropping, they are coming back the next day to continue. That is who we are. And that is why Nigeria terrorist states are totally in confusion. They could not understand anything. We are not giving up. We will never give up. No Biafra, no peace for Nigeria. That is what you need to know. And that is why I'm here to tell you. That until Biafra is restored, nobody will sleep. Nobody will have peace. So nothing you can do to stop us. Today is the 14 days. Today, nothing happened. No war because they are tired. I've told you that all their eyes they mounted in our midst, we have arrested all of them. And so they did not have, since they did not have any information coming out from the midst of us, how we take arrange their death. They are no longer pushing forward. They are no longer pushing forward. That is why the war. Hold on. What was giving them morale have been quenched. We don't quench the fire where they give them morale. Because their informant was among us, telling them how we move, where we lay ambush, where we keep some things that will definitely send them to hell. And so while they are coming, the informant also tell them the easier way to bypass our judgment route. And that gave them morale. But they did not know that the owner of the land know themselves. And now that we get all their eyes blind. They don't know us. They don't know the way again. They don't even want to come close again because everything is changed. Formation is changed. I've told you we are learned. I've told you we are well trained. I've told you, you thought I was joking. Come again. Just make 1 inch of your step and see what will happen to you. They are looking for another person to bribe. Maybe to see if we can help them out again. But don't forget that we are always 1,000 steps ahead of you. Yes, that is who we are. That is who we are. Always 1,000 steps ahead of you. So when we say you cannot win us this war, we mean it. You will never win, even in 1,000 years to come. You only come here to die. Finish. And you go buy. You must buy. In the land of the rising sun, you must buy. So, I'm still here to give you that warning. If you know that you want to sell your soul to the devil, remember and have this in mind that you will never chop that money paid to you by the devil. You will not. You will not be one. And for those of you who are just neutral, you don't want to belong, you are neither Nigeria or Biafra. You are neither Nigeria or Biafra. I pity you. I really pity you. I pity you because you must belong to one. And that is why I am so much happy for this voting, Biafra referendum voting. You must belong to one. Either you are Nigeria, it is either you are Nigerians or you are a Biafrans. You must.
Yeah, my wonderful people, no be small thing o, shey you don hear am. As e dey red o, na so mo bring am come give una more na dey know wetin dey happen for inside that area wey dey for Osumohu. Abeg make you share this video and make sure say you dey follow this page for more updates as e dey hot. My wonderful people, things dey happen. Abeg check the next update because e get one tori wey we wan bring come for inside that place.